If you clicked onto this video, you're probably interested in the Air New Zealand Skycouch. Now, I'm actually sitting on an Air New Zealand Skycouch right now from Taipei, Taiwan to Auckland, New Zealand. Okay, so how does it work? Well, you get all three of these seats to yourself, or I guess you could book it with a partner, and you get these kind of lazy boy looking seats. Look at this, this cushion right here. If I release the armrest right here and push this button, now you can see it's coming up. It's pretty cool. And it actually goes all the way up like that. And then you can actually release it by pulling up, and then it goes back down like halfway, and then you have to push this button and gotta multitask there, and you push it back down into place. So they give you these seatbelt extensions right here. There's even one that's called a cuddle belt. That's so if you have two people in this Skycouch that you can both be buckled up while you're sleeping for safety reasons. So they give you this, and you can see there's some hooks. So there's a hook right here. All three of these seats have that lazy boy cushion that comes up, and then they also give you some extra pillows. Now these are like almost normal size pillows. So let's say this is like a 3/4 pillow. They give you 2 pillows, and they give you this quilt right here. So let me show you this whole thing set up. It's pretty quick, so it's very simple. I just release the Skycouch lazy boy, we'll call it that, until you pull it until it clicks up, and then I need to clip my seatbelt onto this part. So I'm gonna lay here with my girlfriend. And so I'm gonna put the cuddle buckle, the cuddle belt, that's what they call it. And I'm gonna clip this on. Oh, I need 2 hands here. Okay, so now you can see I've got this seatbelt extension right here, and now I'm able to do my second lazy boy extension. So that's gonna come up, pull it all the way up, get that up there. I don't want that to drop down. Okay, and I can move some stuff over here, my phone, the pillows, because now I'm ready to do this third one over here. Okay, so it just comes up like this, and it's all the way up. And now you can see I've got all this space, and I'm 95 kg, I'm like 200 pounds. So these are definitely not gonna go anywhere. These are sturdy. Okay, so now I've got some extra blankets here that they gave me. You can see I've already opened up a couple of them. And let's get these seat belts. I don't need them anymore, so I can tuck them under my seat. And this quilt, I'm gonna put my iPhone in my pocket so I don't drop it. So let's set this little quilt up. Okay, so you will notice right over here, there is still some gaps. Like right over here, there's a gap. What I did was I took this is the normal pillow that you get on an airplane, and I just kind of tucked that down in there. And then we've got 2 big pillows right here. I think I'm only gonna need one of them. Now, to give you guys some reference, I am 6'3", so if I put my head all the way on this side, okay, so you can see I'm laying down all the way, I'm 6'3", my head is all the way on this side, and if I extend my legs all the way out, I'm not quite to the other side of the aisle, but I am way out there. I'm 6'3". I think that's 190 centimeters for those of you on the metric system. But you can see, if I curl up a little bit like this, I'm lucky because I naturally sleep like this with my legs here like this. I naturally sleep a little bit curled up. So for me, this is actually a really good fit, and the pillows are comfortable. They're not, some pillows are too firm, some pillows are too soft. I would say for me, these are perfect pillows. I think they're really good quality. The quilt that you get is clean, it's fresh, and I think it's really good. I'm lucky because I sleep curled up like this. I think that you could fit 2 people in here. Like if you were maybe a couple that had maybe one big guy like me and a small girl, or you were 2 small people, you could split this and you could make it happen, definitely. And it's definitely gonna be better than just sitting in the single economy chair. Now, I do think that this is really, really good. The future Cody is gonna have to tell you guys the price. Okay, future Cody here. I am on the Air New Zealand website, and I have the same flight booked that I was on, Taipei to Auckland and Auckland back to Taipei. I have the basic economy ticket right here. We can see 41,954 plus 22,700 NT tax. So let's just call this a 45,000 NT, Taiwan dollar flight. So let's see, that is about $1,400 US. And if we want to add the Skycouch to both of these flights, so this is the Skycouch edition from Taipei to Auckland, I'm going to add 25,000 NT. That's $765
to upgrade to the Skycouch for one flight. And then we're coming back and I want to add the Skycouch again. That's another 30,000 NT. That's $924. Man, that's quite a bit of money for this Skycouch experience. I know that they have to charge for those 2 seats, like what they think that they would get out of 2 other people if they just had those as normal economy seats or economy stretch seats. I don't know. It's good. I don't know if it's that good. So let's get back to the video.
I wish that other airlines did this, and I wish that I had more options like this, because I've flown a lot of these long flights now that I live in Asia. I think you agree with me, sitting in a single chair for like 10 hours is just terrible. Anyways, let's get back to the Skycouch. I think that it is great, and you're not gonna get like first class quality. Like there's still some bumps right here in the seat belts. Like you can kind of tuck these away. It's not perfect, but I really do think that it's a good option. They give you this quilt. It's nice and clean. They give you these pillows, plus you have all the extra pillows. Oh, and the blankets. Where did those blankets go? These blankets, I think that for sure these are better than the normal blankets. Like I've flown United a lot, Delta. This is my first time on Air New Zealand, and I think that these blankets are actually much higher quality. I'm not sure if that's just this section, because on this airplane, the Skycouches are like just this section right here. So maybe they give you a little bit more of a premium blanket because you're paying more of a premium price for this Skycouch. But anyways, I really do think that this is a great option. I'm not sure if it's the best fit for a couple to be able to split this space. Okay, so I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below and I'll try my best to get back to you. All right, I'll see you in the next video.